Alvina is experiencing its third consecutive below average rainfall season since late 2020, which is worsening the current drought. Weather forecasts indicate a delayed start of the rains is likely to occur in November, but even when the rains arrive, they will likely be inadequate to prevent significant crop and livestock production losses. Pastoralists in the central part of the country are encountering water and pasture shortages, rapidly weakening livestock body conditions, and declining livestock reproduction prospects. There are already reports of livestock deaths from starvation and disease, especially amongst cattle and sheep. Many pastoralists, especially poor households, will be unable to afford food and water for both their livestock and families. Many farmers in agro-pastoral and ravine areas in central parts of the country have already exhausted their food stocks from the preceding below-average harvests. Due to the shortened length of the rainy growing season, cereal crop production is expected to be in the range of 50 to 70% below the 10-year average. As a result, food and income from agricultural labour and the upcoming harvest is expected to be insufficient to prevent the occurrence of moderate to large food consumption gaps or negative livelihood coping strategies, such as accumulating higher debt and selling off unsustainable numbers of livestock. As part of response planning, the Food Security, Health, Nutrition and WASH clusters conducted an intersectoral needs assessment. Key findings include a high prevalence of diarrheal diseases, a measles outbreak, food production is severely affected, an increase in women's walking time from 1 to 3 hours to their nearest water source, diminished access to food and people eating one meal a day, a high prevalence of wasting in children aged 6 to 59 months. Both pastoralists and farmers are severely affected. Children aged less than 59 months, pregnant and lactating women, and older people are most at risk of increased morbidity and mortality.